So Samsung just launched Galaxy S25 series and the internet is already flooded with reviews. Every major tech YouTuber and every major outlet all dropping their reviews at the same time. Quite fishy, right? But let's be real. Is this even a review anymore or just a marketing? The moment Samsung's curtains lifted, boom, a wave of highly produced, well scripted, and nearly similar videos went live. Suspicious, right? Sure, the S25 Ultra has some design twerks, software changes, and a spec bump, but really, is it worth an upgrade of $1,500? Let's break it down. Samsung took away many features, not added. Remember the S Pen Air command? Yeah, the ability to control your phone remotely without touching the screen. Gone. Bluetooth support? Also gone. Samsung says most people didn't use it, so we removed it to make it lighter and more durable. Or maybe, just maybe, they wanted to push you towards buying the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Ring to get those same features. The RAM didn't increase. Yeah, that happened for everyone. One of the biggest promised upgrades was the 16 GB RAM. Finally, right? Well, it turned out Samsung only gave it to select regions like Korea and China. If you're in US or many other countries, you're stuck with the same 12 GB RAM that even the much cheaper S25 has it now. So, their $1,500 flagship has the same RAM as a phone. That's half the price. Is that a fair deal? Samsung spends a lot of time talking about UI 7 and Galaxy AI. But guess what? Most of those features are also coming to the last year S24 Ultra. So if you're already having an S24 Ultra, you're basically getting the same experience, except, of course, Samsung removed certain features. So what really is new? A slightly different design, rounder edges, slightly thinner body. It has a cleaner look now, a camera bump that's barely an improvement in a real-time photos, a faster processor that you wouldn't notice until unless you are using it for hardcore gaming. Well, it's an upgrade for sure. So here are my final thoughts. Samsung knows exactly how to sell a phone. They flood the market with early access YouTube videos, plant the idea that this phone is what you need, and then quietly remove certain features and give you better spec only to a certain regions. But at the end of the day, the S25 Ultra isn't a bad phone. It's not just special. And for $1,500, shouldn't it be special? Let me know what you think about it. Do you think it's worth upgrading? I'm still using my S23 Ultra and I'm quite happy with that.